How to open a Wells Fargo savings account online. Let's get started. So start by opening a browser. In the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com and just like that, land in the official page. In searcher, you want to go ahead and simply go to personal tab, and from there you can simply select saving and CDs. Then click on view all my saving account and you'll see several account options including way to saving, platinum saving, certificates of deposit, and just like that from here choose the account that best fits your need and then you can simply click on open now. Now after that, you want to go ahead and simply fill in the personal details information, customize your account settings, and then make your opening deposit if required. Review all information you have entered before continuing. If you are already a Wells Fargo online banking customer, you can sign in with your username and password to speed up the process. Once everything looks correct, you can click on continue and follow the remaining on-screen instruction to submit your application. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.